Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily disable Live Preview in Microsoft Excel on Windows 11. Live Preview in Microsoft Excel lets you see formatting changes like fonts, colors, or styles before applying them. While helpful, it can sometimes slow things down, especially on older systems or large spreadsheets. So, if you find it rather distracting or laggy, disabling it is a quick fix. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Microsoft Excel app on your PC. And then you have to hit the file menu located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose options at the bottom of the menu. In the Excel options window, click on General tab located in the left sidebar. Then you have to head over to User Interface Options section and locate Enable Live Preview checkbox. Now you have to uncheck the box to disable the feature, and finally you have to hit the OK option to save your changes, and that's about it. Live Preview continuously renders visual changes as you hover over formatting options. While this is pretty convenient, it can consume system resources and even cause noticeable lag, especially when working with complex sets or low-end hardware. Therefore, disabling it can make Excel feel faster and more responsive. If your system runs smoothly and you frequently experiment with formatting, Live Preview can save time by helping you decide on styles instantly without applying them repeatedly. Disabling Live Preview in Excel is a pretty simple trick that can enhance performance and even reduce distractions. If you ever happen to change your mind, you can re-enable it anytime by following the same steps. Adjusting small settings like this helps you tailor Excel to your workflow and system capabilities. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.